Brown. I'm about to present to you a fascinating new workout called Iron Fist Yoga. It involves martial arts, Tai Chi, and yoga. I would like to thank my martial arts instructors, Sensei Brian Bame, Sensei Alan, Sensei John, Sensei Brandon. And I would also like to thank my physical therapist, Crispina Lozano of Highland Park Health and Fitness Center. I would like to begin by doing some knee rolls. So I'm going to lay on my back, hands at my side, and I'm going to have both my knees together, and I'm going to roll them from side to side. Okay, now I'm going to do reverse leg crunches. Both my hands at my side, knees up. Contract my abdominals. Lift up my left leg. Then follow through and do the same with my right leg. Hold for a few seconds. Now I'm going to do leg raises. 2 leg raises. Now I'm going to do bridges. Knees up, on my back, contract my abdominals, lift up my back. Follow with another one. Now 2 more leg raises. Now I'm going to do inverted leg raises. You lift up both legs a small amount. You separate them, do it again. This is good for the knees. 2 more leg raises. Now I'm going to do a butterfly pose, or also called cobbler's pose. Take hold of both feet, spread your legs out as far apart as you can, and with knees bent. And hold for a few seconds. Now I'm going to do bow pose. Both arms, fist cocked at my chest, both my legs raised in the air. I'll do that again, like this. Now I'm going to thread the needle, leg crossed, knee bent. You hold the left leg, and then touch your left leg, which I'm able to do, to your nose. I can't do it to my right nose. Winter's been tough on me. Now I'm going to meditate for a few seconds. Okay, I'm going to raise up onto my belly. Relax for a couple of seconds. I'm going to do some press-ups. You lift your upper body up, hold. Back to position. Do it again. One more time. Now I'm going to do prone mudra pose. Both hands clasped behind my back and lift up. Now I'm going to do reverse leg and arm extensions. Strike out the left foot, strike out the right arm while kneeling on both hands and knees. Follow up and do that again. Now I'm going to do that 2 leg extensions. 1. Hold for a little while longer than that. Okay. Now I'm going to do, I'm going to come to the martial arts part of my workout, and also Tai Chi. For this,
So you're at about 5 minutes.
I'm gonna need a little bit more time here. First, I'm going to clasp my hands and back of myself like this. Okay, now I'm going to do a horse stance. Hold for a few seconds. Then some 4 fist blows. Now I'm going to do a little bit of Tai Chi. Now I'm going to do backwards prayer. Clasp my hands in a prayer position and back of myself, like this. Now I'm going to do backward standing mudra pose, like this. Both hands clasped, both legs spread apart, and I bend over, pulling my arms over myself. Now I'm going to do a forward fold. Same thing as a mudra pose, except both your arms are extended and you palm the ground. Now I'm going to do walking kicks. Both hands up from my guard position and stretch out my right leg as high as I can until, and then come back to this position. Now switch the other way. Now I'm going to do some martial arts warm-up poses. Both hands extended. Pull them in. Hold for a while. Basic pose. Now I'm going to do a kick followed by some open hand strikes. Now I'm going to do some blocks, rising block like this, one more time. Okay, now I'm going to bow to the prayer of Namaste and bow to my sensei. Thank you very much for watching Iron Fist Yoga.